Wi-Fi is kind of a freaky. Think about this for a second. You are watching this video on your phone or a laptop or whatever, but you're connected to Wi-Fi. But how on earth is your router sending my video through invisible air directly onto your device? Seriously, how did we go from this to literally sending cringe video across planet? What kind of software is going on? And the crazy part is, the idea behind Wi-Fi is so genius, but also surprisingly easy. In fact, give me 5 minutes and I might convince you could have invented it yourself. Okay, so now imagine you and your friend are standing on a mountain. Both of you have two flashlights, red and a blue. Now, is it possible for you guys to communicate? Yes. In fact, you could theoretically send entire YouTube video this way. And here's how. You decided that blue is 1 and red is 0. Congratulations, you just invented a binary system. Now start flashing light in different pattern and tada, you can now send message wirelessly. In fact, if you keep doing it for long, you could send my this video too. And this is technically the core idea behind Wi-Fi. Your entire video, audio, message, everything get converted into binary. Then your router turn that information into electromagnetic wave and throw it onto the air. Your phone basically catches those waves and decode them, and boom, you get this video. But you might say that Wi-Fi is not light. It is actually. They are part of the same family. They are both electromagnetic wave. The only difference is frequency. In fact, visual light has a high frequency, which you can see by the way, and Wi-Fi is a lower frequency, which you cannot see obviously. So your router is basically a tiny invisible flashlight screaming over there. Here's the part that gets interesting. Wi-Fi is just a wave. That means it can go through walls. Because waves does not care about solid. But they do lose some energy, which explains why your video buffers a lot. But if you have understood up to this part, you know there's a problem. If your router is literally sending your photos in the air, what stops someone else from stealing it? Well, this is literally a hacking method known as a man-in-the-middle attack. A hacker secretly intercepts communication between two devices, like spying on a message mid-air, which sounds terrifying because it is actually. And the way encryption works is just beautiful. And this is how it works. When your router is connected to your phone, you both establish encryption, meaning before sending your information, you encrypt it somehow. For example, blue, red, blue doesn't actually mean 101 for you anymore. So even if a hacker sees your data, it should look something like this. Without the key, which only you and your router have, it's completely unreadable. It's like talking to a router but with a different language that only you and your router understand. And that was it. If you understood up to this part, you can pretty much build a Wi-Fi. You can't actually. And I'll see you on the next video.